Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to the Atlantis 1957 Cadillac Eldorado Brougham build. And we are assembling the interior. I took my hobby knife in the last episode I tried to film and scraped off some of the paint there for the seat to sit on. And my Tamiya thin set said, no, we ain't gonna hold that. So now we're gonna CA it. Maybe. The CA is like super. Oh man, they go back in. Alright. Yeah, it's kind of like a gel now. Anyways. Let's go ahead and put some on these points. Yeah, it's really like a gel. I don't like that. Super glue not supposed to act that way. Okay, the main thing we don't want to do is get it on our locking. It might take a while for this stuff to really stringy. Wow. Yeah, I'm not sure what happened to my CA glue here. That's very odd. So we're going to take our seat and hopefully just put it right down into place. Without any issues. Make sure it is straight. Let's put the back seat on there and see what it looks like with it. Yeah, I think that's gonna be straight. Alright. Hey, we're doing something finally. We'll just hold that on for a little bit. I'm guessing this is gonna be several videos of trying to get the interior on. Oh yeah. CA is the way to be. We got front also, so that'll be a stronger bond anyway. Awesome. So the front seat's on. Now let's flip this over. See how that fit is. Yeah, we're gonna want to do the same thing. Gonna want to do the same thing. So we'll take that seat off. And it's probably gonna take another 5 minutes for my glue to go back. Oh no. There's something on the deal there. And I did take my hobby knife and kind of go inside that groove there for it. I'm liking that. Liking the way that's looking. We'll discard it on from here. As stringy as that was. Maybe. Yeah, I think this maybe just kind of made a mess of that right there, but hopefully the rest of the parts we can put on with the Tamiya thin set. Oh no. Oh no. Oh wow. Whew. Wanted to see, did I get all on my fingers now? Yeah, it just lifted. Kind of dribbled out the back, but that'll be hidden. Yeah, we'll have to get different CA glue. That's not going to do us any good anymore, I don't think. It did seem to stick down the front seat, though. That is the main thing. This one's taking a little while to set, though. Call this episode struggling to glue the seats in. Wish I had some of that activator spray stuff for it. Yeah, it must have, I don't know, maybe it just got too cold. It's more of a gel than anything now. But I opened up a brand new one that was in a pack and it was acting the same way. It's too bad. Whoop. Yeah, extremely stringy too. But I think we'll call that an episode because I'm going to have to sit there and hold this thing for probably 5 minutes. And I stepped on the stand again. Anyways, we got seats that are down. Took 10 minutes to glue them, but see you guys next time.